Welcome to the Essential Calculus Problem series on North Campus. In this series, we are solving the most fundamental calculus problems, including integrals, derivatives, and limits, step by step. These are the essential questions you will encounter in the exams like midterms and finals. And up to this point, we have explored how to integrate powers of sine function from the basic sine x integral and all the way up to the integral of sine to the power of 5x. With this video, I'm beginning the cosine series, and our first integral will be the integral of cosine x. First, we look at the nature of cosine function. Think about it. Integral of cosine x. Yeah. Integral of cosine x dx. To get cosine x, when we take the derivative, which function do we need? Think of it. In simpler terms, taking an integral is the reverse of taking a derivative. The derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x. So the integral of cosine x will be sine x and plus a constant.